Alright, next up is a old Sears oscillating fan, 12-inch, 3-speed. Get a look at the tag on the bottom here. Sears and Roebuck Co. Model number 453 80120. So, I don't know, that might mean 1980, roughly. Which would make sense. I can see this being from about 1980. Maybe a little bit newer. Had this one for a while, picked it up at a flea market way back when. Almost around the same time that I got the P23, actually. I think I gave 10 or 15 bucks for it. The only thing, of course, is it's missing the clips for the grill, but other than that, it's actually in pretty good shape. It runs very well, it oscillates, it's very quiet. This is honestly, like I said, I bought this and ran it in my bedroom during the summer for years and years and years. Just because it has a very nice, quiet, low speed, but it still moves a ton of air on low. So, we will start her off on high. Not too much cage rattle for not having the original clips. Here's medium. And low. Very quiet and still puts out a really good breeze. I'll do oscillate. I was always impressed by how much air these older table, desk, whatever you want to reference it, older oscillating fans, how much air they move. I know they're not a very common collector's piece, but very quiet and they still move a decent amount of air. Very decent spin down on this one too. I actually haven't used this in a while, but you can see how much pitch there are to those blades. I mean, it's no wonder that it moves so much air, but well, thanks for watching.